Thanks for stopping by. Happy Friday, hanging out on Broadway in Louisville, Kentucky, in front of our new shop space.
Sun Shop.
Sun Shop. For obvious reasons.
The beauty is this place is in the full sun all day, every day.
You'll have to Google Spot Fresnel or Fresnel lens. He hasn't bought any new ones in several years. He found this one on eBay. He got really lucky.
And I have a broken one of these that I've got two of them at the same time, and I've used a broken one for the last year now. And since we moved into this new shop, I went ahead and broke out the other lens that I had. And it's in 97% brand new condition now. It's already starting to get scuffed up and scratched up, but it's nowhere near as clear as it was when I first got it out of the...
It is loud. So I was here yesterday. I told you what was he going to draw. I missed it. Sorry. Oh, what was that?
I drew three things yesterday.
It was
What did I draw yesterday?
a fleur-de-lis.
I drew a fleur-de-lis. Did I do a little tree?
You did a tree.
I did a bonsai tree.
A bonsai tree.
So I'm not quite all the way happy with it, but still it's okay.
I think it was a bonsai tree. Did you bring that over, or is it at the house?
I brought the other bonsai tree over, the original one that I did.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's not the one I did yesterday. The one I did yesterday is nowhere near that good. That piece of wood may get flipped over and have another tree going on the back of it.
I love it. Thank you.
That one I'm really happy with.
Yeah, that turned out good.
That's one that makes me want to do more bonsai trees.
And he's
Sometimes when
been
you try too hard, when I try too hard, I don't get what I want.
he's been painting more of them too.
I think he's trying to see if he can get it any louder than that. Pipes save lives. Looking twice doesn't hurt either.
Last time I was here, he was working on a giant, beautiful tree. This is just gorgeous. Well, thank you. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the roses. Oh, man. It's loud down here, guys. Sorry.
It's really loud today. It's a pretty special day, it feels like, though. It's been an interesting morning already for the sun man. I got kicked out of a room this morning at the house where I went to go get some stuff out of the attic, and I opened the door and it was like, not today. I was like, okay, I'm not coming up, because the house is kind of haunted. And when the house says no way, you just listen to that house. I've been there a long time and I know better than mess around with that house. There's one time my wife and I, when we first got together about 6 years ago, on the same day that I cut my finger really deep on this hand, I walked into the house and I heard this noise in a corner. And I went over there and there was this really fancy porcelain bowl that I've been watering my cat with. And my cat had just come back. And so I've been kind of neglecting staying at the house. And he was fed and watered by the neighborhood. He just kind of liked to drink water at my house, so I kept some extra water for him there. Anyway, to make a long story short though, I got that bowl out. Within 30 seconds of me getting that bowl out, I cut my finger, my right thumb down to the bone. I just impaled myself with a piece of porcelain that I didn't see that had broken off. And so today, whenever I saw that, I was like, I'm not going up there.
Those glasses must be a nice addition. Oh no, he always wears welder's glasses.
So anyway, sorry to ramble, but it was an interesting morning over there. And I explained how the house works. Michelle witnessed that one. She was there for the. And then today, whenever it all happened, like something else bizarre happened, where all of a sudden this thing fell over and it made this huge noise, like something threw something at me almost. So I was like, I'm just not going up there. Shop generates a renewed sense of purpose as well. When you're creating art to the level I create sometimes, and you start living in an endless sea of art, it can be a little overwhelming physically, and it kind of makes it where you don't really want to make too much more for a little while. You don't have anywhere to put anything.
Thank you.
Now I have a reason to make art. Got a shop that needs to be filled up.
The whole shop.
I already got a whole house that's still full, so I'm going to work on filling this shop up with some of that, and also just a lot of...
The sun is shining there, but it's snowing in Russia. Ooh-wee, but it is cold. Thankfully, we've had a very nice week. Our first week here, signed the lease on Monday, and we've had a lot of sunshine. Feel like that's a good omen.
It's a great omen.
Are you all still doing a pop-up tomorrow? Yes. Yes, we are. We should probably put something out about that. At least for a few hours. We have what? Negative 45 here in Russia.
Oh,
Ooh-wee.
that's Celsius?
That's
Celsius now.
That's still cold.
It's still cold. It's kind of like negative 25 though.
Too cold for me.
Yeah.
14 in Colorado. Ooh-wee. I love this stuff. So beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful. We love sharing it.
I'm excited to see what the reason to draw a lot every day. I usually improve a whole lot. I'm excited
Wow,
to see
amazing.
what happens
Thanks,
next.
guys.
Out for that. You know, one waste of time.
There's some other pieces he's done recently that he's added some color to. You're very talented people. Thank you.
Can't wait to clear coat this herring.
I love it.
That one's always inspired by a picture my wife took somewhere along the way. That I like the picture of the herring now, just put it in other scenarios. We went for our anniversary, we went to a lake and there's a great herring flying around, so I always think of that herring as well.
Got a bigger lens out to do a framing.
Do a frame job. It's a frame job. I used to draw with this lens exclusively when I first started. That was when I really was just, I was just a crazy person with a bunch of magnifying glasses that literally believed he was on a mission from God.
Have you ever seen the Russian Kremlin? No, I can't say that I have. I have not done much traveling in my life.
And now that we're a block and a half away from the house, we'll probably do a little less traveling for a while. Got a couple things in Georgia we want to go to next year. Let's see what the shop wants us to do. Might get a little vacation here and there. We can go somewhere far away.
How many of these have already been made? Oh, hundreds.
Hundreds and hundreds. I don't even know anymore.
He's been doing this almost 14 years.
I'm kind of one of those people, I used to daydream about documenting and counting and, you know, and having all this archive stuff. And I'm not really good at that. I am really good at creating stuff. And I am horrible at, I'm a great dreamer. I'm a horrible physical world person though. Went for my wife, I would just disappear and went to the mountains. And I would just be doing this at the whim of wherever the world took me.
It's hard to do. Yes, I've tried to do this. Failed miserably.
So here's one of those moments where I had the lens kind of cockeyed and it didn't really want to burn properly.
It's very precise what angle you have to be at in relation to the sun.
Once I got it so hot, it was okay, but that was cool.
Mm-hmm.
But for me, it's like there's a line going all the way past there, and then there was a line coming off of the lens that matched up with that one perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
They're like both matched together and going seamlessly along.
It's morning for you, and it's night for us.
Well, 12 hours away.
Super far away. Super cool. Thank you.
Put that behind all that other stuff. So we don't burn the new shop down.
No.
To grab a glass lens.
There's a bull he did recently. Watching from London, England. Hello. Did you forget something?
I meant to grab one of the glass lenses. The big glass lens where I like to use the sign stuff. I meant to grab that one. This one's a bit intrusive to sign with.
Goodbye. Have a good one.
Have a great day. Thanks for stopping
Or have a
by.
great night.
Have a great, exactly. Thanks for sharing part of your life with us. These little burners real quick.
He's signing it now and dating it.
That is so good. Thank you. How you doing today?
I'm fine. I've never seen that done before.
There's a handful of us on the earth who mess around with this.
Yeah, I bet.
Not many of us, though.
Yeah. Looks good, though.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's done.
Might add a little color to that one still. This coloring thing at the moment. Not too much.